everybody, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to another week of dinners. So it's actually about 2:30 here, and Sunday is our largest meal of the day. Lunch is our largest meal of the day on Sunday because I actually have school and then I have to prepare for my Bible class tomorrow night. This is what the kids and I are having for dinner. We are having, this is turkey cutlet parmesan, kind of like chicken parm, but these are turkey cutlet pieces. And what I did was I just washed those, seasoned them real well, and then I did egg wash and pork rinds. So I actually just breaded them in pork rinds, fried them in a little bit of bacon grease. Then I put the Parmesan, I put the marinara and then some mozzarella and Parmesan on top. After it fried, I put it in the oven to bake for about 15 minutes just to melt the cheese. And then we're having just a loaded broccoli on the side. So this is Jackson's plate. Mom does not have a plate just yet. I'm still not feeling the best. So this is the best of what they're getting for the day. So we will see you guys with what we have for dinner tomorrow night. Alrighty, you guys. So tonight is Monday, January the 21st. It's Martin Luther King's holiday. And the kids and I are having a Mississippi pork roast with cauliflower and broccoli, a little bit of grated Parmesan cheese on top, and that is what we're having for dinner. So it is Tuesday night and we are having cheeseburger soup. This is a soup that I found in the Southern Keto cookbook and it is yummy and delish. The only thing we didn't have, I thought I had everything, I didn't end up having the cheddar cheese, so we just subbed in mozzarella cheese and Parmesan, and prayerfully it will taste just as good. We also made another pan of the skillet cornbread. We added in this time a couple of bacon crumbles, so you can actually see in here there's some bacon crumbles. Last time we added in cheese as well, but this time we just did bacon crumbles. So we're gonna have our skillet cornbread with our cheeseburger soup. Here's what it looks like in the pot. It's still hot, but it is late. It's 9:40. We had prayer tonight. That's why Tuesday night is usually our crock pot night. But guess who didn't put the crock pot on? That will be Mom. So anywho, kids and I are going to eat, and we'll see you tomorrow night. Hey everybody, so welcome back. Tonight we are having, and tonight is Thursday night. I did forget to film what's for dinner last night, which was Wednesday night. We just had leftover Mississippi roast and broccoli, but I totally forgot to film that. But what we are having tonight is, this is a grilled chicken breast piece that I found at Walmart. And I just put it in the oven. It was already pre-grilled. I just put it in the oven with a little bit of, what is this called? Buffalo ranch sauce. And I let it get brown. And then when it came out of the oven, I put a little ranch on it, a little bit more of that sauce. And then this is the coleslaw and some, I had some cheesy sausage instead of doing the bacon. So this is what we're having for dinner. I also made some butter cookies. We tried to make those lemon flavored this time, so we'll see how those are. But this is what we're having for dinner tonight, and we'll see you tomorrow night. Okay, you guys, so tonight we're doing the meatball lasagna. I saw Shelly do this on her channel, and again, I just like recipes I like, and she just happens to share things, so we're trying this tonight. It is Friday night, January 25th, and this will be our last dinner for the night because kids have something planned tomorrow, and then I have some plans. You do see a little bit of chocolate here because I had a chocolate lemon cookie. It's actually a butter cookie that we, keto butter cookie that we put lemon extract in, and I just needed a little chocolate, so I had some sugar-free. chocolate, but I ate that first. So I'm going to give this a go. It just has meatballs. We did not have ricotta cheese, so I used sour cream, but mixed it with a little bit of Parmesan. We added in spinach that we did not. Shelly didn't have spinach in hers that I saw, and she might have, but I don't remember her doing that. But anyway, this is our dinner for tonight. We do hope that you enjoyed these dinners, and we'll see you next week. Bye now.